Hello, police detective. Today we're going to cover something very important. We're going to learn how to hunt vampires. You were very powerful in life, a sharpshooter, a brave police detective. But you also need to know how to hunt our own kind. After all, that is what we do at Helsing. We hunt those that the humans cannot. And that is where you come in. Now, let us rush past the basics. Vampires are weak to silver, especially through the heart or through the brain. Vampires cannot stand the light of day, and it will burn them to ash. And vampires do not care for holy symbols, much like my own weapon that has the melted, sacred silver. When I shoot things, they stay down. No, detective, what I want to talk to you about is hunting vampires. How to ferret them out and destroy them. Now, all vampires, as you know, must rest during the day. That is the one time that our associates here will have an advantage over you and I. And we will let them take that to their greatest advantage to hunt out and find their nests. But they should not go in alone, because even though they are vulnerable, those vampires can still move and act quickly and could easily break their necks. No, their job should be to find them and let us take care of the rest. Now, when you are entering a vampire's lair, vampires love to keep a little food around. So listen for the cries of humans. They don't usually try to destroy them immediately. They will keep them and slowly drain their blood. And you can use that to your advantage. You have already noticed, I am sure, your nose now picks up the scent of blood. And you can use it to track the vampire back to his lair. But if they are an older vampire, like myself, they will likely have traps ready. And they will likely have traps lined with silver. So you should watch your step every way. Look for the thread. Look for the stone that is out of place. Because one false step, you could find flechettes of silver coming for your face, silver mist spraying into the room to weaken you. Beware. They know that we are hunting them, and they are ready for us. So, you've made it past the traps. You can smell the victim. They are crying softly. And you see the vampire in their lair. What do you do then? Let me tell you, detective, the best thing to do is to psych them out. Now, you are not an ancient creature such as I. You cannot simply take a hail of bullets and get up and walk away. But you can be mysterious. You can be quiet. You can be alluring. You can put them off their game. Vampires are incredibly vain, and they will take every opportunity. Whoop! Ah. And they will take every opportunity to show how superior they are, simply by showing them disdain, that you cannot be bothered with these weak creatures. It will unsettle them. They won't know what to do, and that will give you a critical advantage. That is when you strike. When they move, do not move. Allow them to take the first strike. Now, I know what you're thinking. No, they'll destroy me. You have been made by me, my vampire. You will be able to withstand their first attack. Take it. Feel the pain. Let the rage boil in you. And pretend it did nothing. That will unsettle them. That will enrage them. That is when they will come in for a sloppy follow-up attack. And that is when you strike. Pull out your weapon as I have shown you and fire. They will not be ready for you. You will strike them down. You see? Now this is important. Some vampires, a single silver bullet will lay them low. The more powerful ones will require multiple hits. Ensure that they are slain before you leave. If you still feel their life essence, do not stop until they are destroyed. Do you understand? Good. Now, police girl, there is a cottage nearby. Our reconnaissance team has located 3 vampires inside. There are victims still alive that can be saved. Are you ready to go do a little hunting? I will be watching from the shadows. I will be there to help you if you need it. But you know what, police girl? I don't think you will. I think you will be victorious. Thank you so much for watching Roleplay Riot. If you've enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and let's go on a hunt together.